Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Ming-Kuo Lee. I'm the chair of the Geoscience Department at Auburn. I would like to welcome everyone to a Geoscience Prospective Graduate Student Open House. And I'm very glad that Dean George Flower from the graduate school can take time out of his busy schedule to join us. So today we're going to have a 1-hour program for prospective graduate students to learn more about our graduate program, admission process, and also the life as an Auburn graduate student. So on behalf of the department, I would like to just present a brief overview of the department. And so both geography and geology program at Auburn were established back in 1968. In 1999, two programs were merged as one department. And later in 2015, the department was renamed as Geoscience to better bridge two programs. So the department now offers 4 graduate degree and certificate programs, including Master in Geography, Master in Geology, GIS graduate certificates, and the Interdisciplinary Earth System Science PhD program. So in my 25 years of service at Auburn, I have never seen the department growth like we have experienced in the past few years. So currently, we have 20 full-time faculty, 2 lab scientists, and 4 office staff, and more than 40 graduate students enrolled in different graduate programs. And we expect to hire 3 more faculty next year. So some of you may ask me why we are growing and growing so much. And I guess the short answer is that this is a very exciting time in geoscience. Well, we are entering a very exciting and dynamic field with opportunities to address some of the most pressing challenging issues confronting our society today, such as natural resource, energy, water, climate, and of course, environmental pollution. So as a professional geographer or geologist, we can always find many career options with exciting outdoor and technology-based work. So Auburn is our R1 institute. So currently in the US, there are about 130 university institutions that are classified as R1 Institute. So R1 Institute maintains a very high level of research activity. So Auburn as R1 Institute provide excellent resource for supporting graduate student research. So also our department provide very generous graduate assistantship, including a monthly stipend about $1,900 with a complete tuition waiver. So in the past few years, in order to support graduate student research, we have invested more than $2.5 million in major research instruments. And this instrument including top-of-the-line analytical mass spectrometers and high-resolution field survey and mapping equipment. And so Dr. Ann Ojeda will talk about our major research area later in this program, but I want to say that the interdisciplinary research is a notable strength of our department. Especially the Earth System Science PhD has engaged faculty and graduate students from 5 colleges and more than 10 departments to train the next generation of Earth and environmental scientists. And so last year, the department was awarded a big $3 million NSF research traineeship grant known as NRT. So the program was led by Dr. Karen McNeil. NRT is designed to train graduate students in the interdisciplinary area of national importance and priorities. So also this is the first NRT grant awarded to Auburn, and which speak for the quality of geoscience graduate program. So In closing, again, I'd like to thank Dr. Ann Ojeda and our graduate program officer, Dr. Ashraf Uddin, for organizing this meeting. So you can imagine the effort they put in to make it happen during this challenge time. So I'm looking forward to opening of our discussion and meeting with prospective graduate students. Before I turn it over to Dr. George Flower, I'd like to ask all the prospective students to sign up for the raffle. So you can see the Qualtrics link in the chat box. So by signing up, providing your name and your contact information, you will have the chance to win a prize. So the winner will be drawn from the participant pool, and we will announce the winner at the end of the program. So with this, please join me in welcoming our graduate school dean, Dr. George Flower. And Dr. Flower will offer his welcome and remarks.
Thank you. I much appreciate the opportunity to visit with you this morning. I much appreciate the fact that that you've taken your afternoon, an hour in the afternoon, to learn about the geosciences programs at Auburn and about Auburn University. Just to make best use of your time, I'm going to share the screen here and just show you a quick PowerPoint so that you can I can best use your time. And if you're not familiar with Auburn, we are located in Auburn, Alabama. This is a picture of a campus, and this is the central gate, the main gate entrance to Auburn. And the reason I like to show this picture is if you look at the building that's sort of in the immediate foreground, that's Hargis Hall. And if you look at the second floor corner there with the room with the lights on, that's my office, and that's where I am right now. And so the graduate school is here to support you if you decide to pursue your graduate studies here at Auburn. We're a resource for you, and the university is a resource for you. I want to make that clear. One other point that's really important is that at Auburn, we talk about the Auburn family, and our students, our faculty, our staff, our alumni are all part of the Auburn family. Our university has grown dramatically over the last few years, but we keep in mind always, we keep to heart the basic tenets of our institution. We're a comprehensive land-grant university, and what being a land-grant university means is that we do research, education, outreach. We conduct activities that have a positive impact on the lives of the people we touch. We're now at about 31,000 students, at an all-time high number of graduate students. Graduate and professional students, we're well over 6,000 students, and with just traditional graduate students, we're at 5,132. So we have a strong graduate programs, and one of points of pride is our programs in geosciences. Dr. Lee was very on point when he said, you know, Auburn has a great program in geosciences, and there are huge opportunities here. If you don't know Alabama and where Auburn is located, we're at the foothills of the Appalachian Mountains on one side, and the Gulf Coast, the Gulf of Mexico coast on the other side. So the geography here, the geology, I should say, is wide and diverse. And the combination of the geology program and with geography as geological sciences, all of those different aspects have produced a world-class program, and it collaborates with programs across campus: College of Agriculture, Forestry, Engineering, College of Liberal Arts, in the health sciences, just really across the board. So an outstanding program and lots of opportunities. And we at the Central Administration University are here to support you. We provide some professional development opportunities. I'm not going to go through all of this. I'll share this slide so that if you have further interest, these slides, you have further interest, you can follow up. But just be aware that there's support at the Central Administration to help you develop yourself professionally. Also, if you apply online or are interested in applying, you apply online, you go through our online application process, and I'm sure that that'll be discussed further as well. But if the graduate school staff can assist you in any of that application processing, please let us know. One thing that we do offer for students who participate in the online, online open houses with our departments, we offer a graduate application fee waiver. So if you do seek to apply, let Dr. Wada know and that you're applying and that you participated in this event, and we will process a fee waiver for you. So strongly encourage you to consider our programs. Also, financial aid. Heard it mentioned that we'll be discussing financial aid a bit more, but I did want to highlight the Presidential Graduate Research Fellowship Program, particularly for students that are interested in the interdisciplinary doctoral program. This is a great opportunity for you, so just be aware. And then finally, are there any questions? Any questions I can answer for this group? Well, welcome. Much appreciate your interest, and we're all here to support you, and we'll assist you in any way we can. And finally, have a great day at the open house, and in Auburn speak, War Eagle. Welcome and War Eagle.